My compassion is not weakness, my softness is not surrender. I am Vishnu, the gentle ocean that heals, and the cosmic force that cuts through darkness. You look at me and see calmness, but behind that calmness lies a power older than time, a power that watches every rise of Dharma and every shadow of adharma. Today I will tell you why I hold both the lotus and the Sudarshan Chakra and what this means for your own life. Listen closely. My compassion is not naivety. I do not forgive because I'm blind. I forgive because I can see farther than you can. When I flow like water, I heal the wounded, guide the lost, and soften the hearts hardened by suffering. Water is gentle, yet it shapes mountains. It dissolves stone, not by force, but by presence. This is why I approach every soul gently first. Everyone carries a wound, unseen by others. When you fall, I do not judge. When you lose yourself, I do not abandon you. I wait, the way a river waits for a traveler to return to its banks. Humans often ask, why does Vishnu keep forgiving? Why does he give chances to those who fall again and again? Because forgiveness is a mirror. It shows a soul what it can become, not just what it is. A mistake repeated is a choice, but a mistake realized is rebirth. I forgive not to encourage wrongdoing, but to allow transformation. But remember, even the ocean has a shoreline. Compassion ends where arrogance begins. Patience ends where cruelty thrives. Mercy ends when injustice grows bold. When peace is threatened, when innocence bleeds, when adharma rises with pride, my softness dissolves. The waters calm themselves, and the storm within me awakens. This is when the Sudarshan Chakra rises, not out of anger, but out of necessity. Justice is not rage. Justice is realigned balance. You see the chakra in my hand, a perfect circle, spinning with cosmic precision. It is the symbol of clarity. It cuts not flesh, it cuts illusion. It removes the poison that threatens the harmony of existence. Compassion preserves, justice protects, and the chakra moves only when the world's balance is in danger. It does not chase, it acts with purpose. Sometimes destruction is the only path to preservation. Every being who stands before me faces two forces, my water and my weapon. How do I choose between mercy and the chakra? I look at intention. If your heart seeks growth, I forgive every fall. But if your intention is harm, the chakra begins to spin. Then I look at reputation. A mistake once done is human, but repeated without remorse becomes adharma. Water can purify once, twice, 10 times, but when a soul keeps choosing darkness, the river stops flowing for them. And finally, I look at impact. I am the preserver. If someone endangers dharma, harms innocence, or threatens harmony, I must act, even if compassion wishes to stay my hand. Understand this. Justice is not revenge. Justice is protection. Do you know why I reveal this today? Because you too are struggling to balance softness and strength. You give too much, you forgive too much, you tolerate too much, and people mistake your kindness for weakness. You let your inner water flow everywhere until you drown in your own compassion. Hear me clearly. You're meant to be soft, but not easy to break. Kind, but not blind. Forgiving, but not foolish. The world needs both your heart and your boundaries. Just like I hold both the lotus and the Sudarshan Chakra. Let me teach you the art I follow. Lead with compassion. Listen before you judge. Guide before you punish. And always choose kindness first. But remember to observe intention, not just words, because many speak sweetly while hiding a bitter heart. Set limits early, for softness is powerful only when protected. And do not fear saying no, because boundaries are the Sudarshan Chakra of your life, cutting away anything that drains your peace. And when someone repeatedly harms you, stop being water. Become the weapon of clarity. Remove them from your inner world before they destroy your dharma. For this is not cruelty, this is self-preservation. I am Vishnu, the preserver, the healer, the guardian of balance. I forgive endlessly, but I protect fiercely. I am water, and I am the storm. So remember, be gentle enough to heal, strong enough to protect, and wise enough to know the difference. Let your heart flow like water, but keep your truth sharp, your boundaries firm, your dharma unshakable. Balance compassion with justice, and the divine within you will awaken.